If you're turning down full color screen print jobs, you're leaving money on the table. Learning how to screen print full color images can be tough. You go through YouTube video after YouTube video, trying to piece together how to separate full color art, what emulsion to use, how to create halftones, how to expose your screens, all to set everything up on press and end up with crappy results, an irate customer, losing business, and even worse, possibly going out of business. So what do? You go back to the rat race, screen printing simple spot color jobs, which every screen printer in their garage with the 4-color 4-station press can do. You put together dirt cheap sales that just land you clients that email and call 100 times a day. You end up busting your ass for a wage that is practically what someone would make flipping burgers. I was in the same position and I knew I had to make a change. That change was to learn how to master simulated process and acquire jobs that turned a higher profit and clients that actually value my work. I want screen printers to experience the same success that I'm having. That's why I put this course together. ActionSeps Simulated Process Screen Print Training course eliminates all the trial and error out of mastering simulated process. With this video training system, I walk you through step by step how to separate and screen print simulated process. You'll get my custom set of actions I use in my shop daily to quickly separate full color art, how to create halftones without a RIP software, what emulsion to use, what off-the-shelf inks to use, and how to set everything up on press so that way you can achieve consistent, repeatable results. As a bonus, I'm including my registration template and a module on how to manually separate simulated process and record your own custom set of actions. So that way it'll work on any computer in your shop. The best part, my program costs just about as much as it does to treat your grandmother out to a nice dinner at Applebee's. So if you would like to land jobs that turn a higher profit, clients that actually value your work, and get out of the rat race of screen printing simple spot color jobs and learn how to master simulated process without scrolling through all the YouTube videos, click the link below to learn more about ActionSeps and how it can help fast track your screen print business's success. I'll see you inside the course.